guys, welcome to this week's video where I find the best rotaries to film.
Bridgeport RX2. Oh, that's going to be easy, 130 decibels
Hey guys, welcome to the second half of the video where I'm filming over at the Power Cruise Outlaws. The engine specs, yeah, who built it, what's it running, what sort of numbers it makes?
Tony Rotor Talk, built the motor, Built-Tech tuned it. We haven't ran it yet, but hopefully it should do a 9. So horsepower made 620 on the dyno, on the hub dyno, and hopefully it should run like a 9 too.
Just running E85, I'm guessing?
E85, yeah.
And what about the transmission and the diff setup?
C4 L's, 9-inch diff, 4-link RSN. And that's it.
Nice, bro. Nice build, man.
Thanks, brother. Still got a sub in there, yeah, That's a new one, eh?
That's a new one. Thanks heaps for watching this week's video. Until next week, where I'll be filming at the RX Nation meet in Sydney. So yeah, it should be another good week of rotaries.